Welcome to English Chats Daily. This is not just another English grammar channel. This is a safe place for shy learners who want to speak English confidently. If you feel nervous, if you avoid conversations, if you overthink every sentence, you are in the right place. Most beginners don't struggle with vocabulary. They struggle with fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, fear of awkward silence, fear of what if I say it wrong. And because of that fear, they stay silent. But confidence is not magic. It is practice plus the right environment. That is what we build here. On this channel, you will learn how to speak without freezing, continue conversations naturally, ask questions confidently, react naturally like native speakers, stop saying only in single words like yes, no, okay. We practice real conversations, simple English, slow pace, and no pressure. If you are new, here's what to do. Step 1, go to the playlist called Speak English Confidently. No fear, no freezing. Start there. Step 2, practice one video per day. Speak out loud, repeat sentences. Step 3, move to real-life English conversations. Don't try to watch everything at once. Focus on confidence first. Fluency will follow. You will speak in small sentences. Respond faster, feel less nervous. Stop overthinking every word. Maybe you won't be perfect, but you won't be silent anymore. And that is progress. If this sounds like something you need, subscribe. Join this confidence journey and start with the first playlist today. You are not bad at English. You just need the right environment and we'll build it together.